Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook ad using Canva. It's super easy and free, so let's get started. So open your Chrome browser, open the Canva website. In my case, I've already opened. After opening the Canva website, you have to register with a free account. So use your account of Gmail for logging in. After logging in on the Canva, go to this option, create a design option, click on it. Now here you have to search for Facebook. So search Facebook and you can see this Facebook ad option here. Click on it. Now the best thing about do really like about Canva is it gives you hundred templates suggestions, which is very unique and super cool. So for example, I want to create an ad for my let's say bike. So I will search bike and give a search. Now you can see all the suggestions are super cool. So for example, I want to click on this and I want to make changes, so just select the text, and if you want to change the text you can just backscape and put whatever text you want to like, and you can change the text font as well. As just click on it, and for example I want to change into like Spartan font. Okay, now this looks cool. You can change the font size as well as and text color by clicking on A option and just change into red. You can see my text is changed, and you can also change the image by go to the upload option and put the bike photo, and after doing all the changes just click on options, share, and click on download, maximize the size and go to the download option, and your Facebook ad will be downloaded. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.